distance, every occasion headed for somewhere out of the way. Moving and shaking, heavy persuasion, keeping us out there caught in the waves. Tread the water in the deep, just waiting for the tides to meet. And when the currents take us out again to opposite oceans, out of the hands of safety, from the silence to the deepest end, places we break and bend, you're the one in it with me. No matter how far we get, oceans we are and still connect. And when the current go in the distance, every occasion headed for somewhere out of the way. Moving and shaking, heavy persuasion, keeping us out there caught in the waves. Tread the water